So that's your TP and your stop loss statement. So now there you go here, click on this. Then after doing that, the next thing we're going to click on, after we do our, we are going to loss, we're going to click on this. Let's put our stop loss above, then the TP, we put our TP below. So put our TP below, then we are going to click on here next. Okay, so this is going to take us down here. Then we'll click on place. But as usual, the market is closed. So now that's how to use that. So now the next thing here is here. So click on that. So if you want to place a multiple buy, let's say I placed a buy before, I placed a buy order before, and I want to add another buy order, and I want to go and come to quote and be clicking on GBP USD and clicking on new order and clicking on sell again. So instead of me doing that, I'll just, since I'm here on the chart doing my analysis, I already placed a buy. I can just click on another buy here, click on that buy, click on that buy. This is called layering strategy. So I'm layering my trades, okay, at different points in time. So that's it. So now for more features, you can see this here. So this here, you can increase it and decrease it. That is like your lot size. So this is at 0.1, 0.01. So the higher your lot size, the higher your risk. So now click on the middle part. Let's click on the middle part. If you want to add other features, you can also click on the middle parts. You can see your 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15, 1 hour, 1 day. So you can see all the time frame are just there. So you can also see your indicators tab. So you can also click on it. You see your indicators tab. So look at your indicators tab here. You can see your indicators tab there. So you can also see your, you can also see this here, your expander here. So you can see that. You can also see this here. Let's check out what that is. Let me show you what this is now. Let's go. So this is your settings. This is where you can customize your chart. If you want this ask price line, you leave it off. If you want it on, you click on it and it's on. So you can customize your colors, the bear candle to be a different color. Let's say we want our bear candle to be, white. Let's say our bear candle to be red, then our bull candle to be white. So you can see it where you can see this. So this is where you can customize your chart. Now go back here, and it's going to appear. So can you see that? So this is where you can customize your chart. Let's change it back. So let's see, go down, scroll down, click on colors. Now let's change it back, customize to blue, then beer candle customize to red. Okay, so now let's go. The next thing we are going to do, save, go back. So you see our, so you see there's a change on our chart. There has been a change on our chart. So you can make your changes here and everything reflects here. So candlestick type. So you see it now. You can make your changes all here. They are all here and they all reflect. So you see it. So that's for that. And click on here. This is for objects. So this is for objects. So click here. This is for objects. Okay, so click on it. You can see an arrow. Okay, trend line. So let's say we want to draw a trend line. If we want to draw a trend line, we will first of all have to, now let's delete it first. To delete, click on this, click on it, then click on delete. So let's say we want to extend our trend line. To draw a trend line to know the next action of price. So we'll target our, you have to target at least two supports or two resistance. So click on the trend line. So this is our trend line. Can you see that? So click on the trend line. So let's draw a trend line. So price is in a downtrend. So we are going to be drawing, since price is in a downtrend, we'll be drawing a bearish trend line. So can you see? We're drawing a bearish trend line. So once price hits this zone, if price hits this zone, so we're drawing this trend line. So since price is in the downtrend currently, if price hits this zone and goes up, is in a breakout, so price will start going up and start buying. So price has changed from a downtrend to an uptrend. But if price hits this zone and keeps going down, so we expect that the trend continues. And from the look of things, price has hit here 1 2 3. So price hits 3 times. So we are waiting for the fourth time. So price to hit and fall back down. So here you can make a sell trade. So that's it though. Let's go over to the next step. Let's go over to the next step quick. So look at this copy. So the next thing is here. So click on that. So you can see the new window is already open. So you can also use this. Click there. So you see that. So it's possible. It's possible. It's possible. So that's that. That's that. So let's change it back. Let's change it back. So if you want to tile it horizontally like this. Okay, you want to tile it vertically, can tile it like this. So let's delete that window. Okay, let's delete the window, remove. So we're going to click on the window, remove. Okay, so let's delete this. Okay, so that's for that. See you in the next class.